Generative AI is a double-edged sword, with the potential to be used for both good and evil. In the wrong hands, it can be used to facilitate cybercrime and other forms of malicious activity. This is the Digital Prepper, and today we're going to be talking about a new AI tool called WormGPT that's being used currently by cybercriminals to create malware and launch sophisticated phishing attacks on the populace. Before we get started, I just want to remind you guys that if you do like the video and want to discuss anything regarding digital preparedness or just preparedness in general, please take a moment to leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to see more like this. With that being said, let's get started. So let's talk about what WormGPT is. If you haven't been living under a rock, you probably already know about generative AI tools like ChatGPT or Google's Bard that are generative AI that have been used to do things like assist with coding problems, writing emails, or even writing entire college papers. WormGPT is a generative AI model created by a group of security researchers, but it has been specifically designed for malicious activities and has been advertised on underground forums as a way to assist bad actors with creating and launching cyber attack plans. WormGPT can be used to create fake emails that are very realistic. These emails can be personalized to the recipient, and they can even include attachments that look legitimate. WormGPT's developer has also uploaded screenshots showing that you can ask this bot to produce malware written in the Python coding language, for example, and even provide tips on crafting these malicious attacks. To put it in another way, this tool is basically ChatGPT without any ethical safeguards. So what can you do now to prepare against this upcoming threat? Well, with WormGPT, essentially think of it as another person that's assisting these bad actors with their attacks on businesses or people like us. So essentially, the same concepts apply that I've explained in previous videos, like making sure that you're using strong passwords and two-factor authentication on all of your accounts is one of the strongest ways to protect yourselves, but also be extremely vigilant about phishing emails. If you're not sure that an email is legitimate, don't even open it. Just delete it or move it into the trash. Don't ever click on any links in an email unless you know for sure that they're safe. And finally, be suspicious of any emails that ask you for your personal information. Companies like banks or people that you pay bills to will not ask you for your personal information over an email. And if you haven't already, go ahead and take a look at my videos regarding phishing and how to get started to protect yourself from these threats. To wrap things up, generative AI programs like ChatGPT and Bard are very useful programs, and I personally think that if used correctly, they can improve our quality of life and assist us with making our jobs easier and more efficient. With that being said, WormGPT is definitely an ominous sign about how these generative AI programs could fuel cybercrime, especially as these programs mature, as even hackers with limited skills can use this technology, which makes it an accessible tool for a new generation of cybercriminals. This also means that we need to learn how to use these tools in order to protect ourselves as well from these threats. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see that kind of video in the future on how we can use generative AI for our preparedness plans. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to get more videos like this that will help you with your digital preparedness. If you have any ideas for more videos or just want to share your experiences with prepping, please leave a comment down below. Stay safe, stay prepared, more digital prepping to come.